First step, let's go to the Cisco Skills for All website. Okay, so here type in Cisco Skills for All on in Google. The first result is Cisco Skills for All. So this is here you can access courses. All right. So let's take a look at the courses. To look at the courses, you click on catalog, and here you have all the courses uh, in different languages, different categories, and different level. So if you're new to networking, if you're new to IT, obviously you will you would want to explore beginners level courses. So let's choose beginners level and let's see what we have here. Okay, now if you're new to IT and especially if you're new to networking, I highly recommend starting with this course, networking basics. So before we click on this, let's explore what else they have. So they have courses in different categories or different specialties. Like if you're interested in data science, this is an excellent introductory level course. Okay, you have introduction to IoT, Internet of Things, cybersecurity, and what else there? Okay, so one of the course so those of you who are interested in programming, there is a course in Python, which is for beginners. You don't have to have previous knowledge of programming. Basically, this course is actually prepare you for Python Institute certification. Okay, so it's a good course, and even if you don't want to be a software engineer or developer, and this is not your path, knowledge of programming is very, very important even for networking professionals because you have to do a lot of automation in networking when you become when you're a network engineer, and mostly Python is used for network automation. So it's a beginner level course. You don't have to know how to create applications, or you will not be creating softwares. It's just you will be using programming language, in this case Python, to automate tasks. So this is also an excellent beginners level course. And then you have other courses, networking essentials. So they have quite a few courses. Cisco Packet Tracer is a simulating program that simulates network devices. What you can create a whole network in Cisco Packet Tracer. You can learn how to configure routers and switches. Obviously, they're Cisco devices, but you can learn exactly routing, switching, and in most of the courses where you have hands-on lab, those lab uses Cisco Packet Tracer. So this is also a good course to learn. And you can scroll and see all the courses here. So let's go back to the catalog here. Let's go back to the first page. So yes, let's look at this course, networking basics. Okay, so here, well, obviously as the name implies, is the basic of networking, and the courses the topics they cover in this course are these. Explore the course. So build a network, a small network access, the internet protocol. This is for absolute beginners. They start from the scratch. They start explaining what exactly the network is. Then you have communication between the networks, how computers are able to communicate on the networks, network protocols, and yeah, they also suggest if your career path is cybersecurity, this course is the prerequisite, or this is the course that you should take first. Okay, and yeah, let's see what's inside this course. So we click, so here when you click get started, you have to log in. Either you create an account here, okay, with the email and the password, uh, or uh, or you can, so yes, either you create an account, or you can log in with, if you already have a Google account, you can log in with the Google account, right? So here I have already logged in. So here I'm logged in with my account. So I will click again on the networking basic course. Then, okay, since I already started the course, it changes to, instead of getting started, it changes to uh, resume the course. Okay, so let's see what's inside this course, networking basic course. So let's click on it. All right, so these courses are divided into modules. These are all the modules: communication in a connected world, network components, wireless and mobile network. So all these topics are covered, even IP version 4, IP version 6. Again, this course is for the beginners and it covers a lot of topics. So it's a very good course. Okay, so these are, here you have the index of all the chapters or the topic that will be covered. So you click on the topic, and here you have, here there's a content. So you click on introduction, and here, why should I take this module? It's a start. Cisco courses, in my opinion, are very well put together. They're very easy to learn. They have, there's a mixture of theory, hands-on labs, and to understand theories there are videos. And those of you who are okay with reading, like myself, so there are written explanation as well as there are videos. Okay, and they're explained in very mm, simple language here. So yes, this is one. So this is one of the course uh, you should take when you're just starting in networking. Okay, so here let's go back to catalog, and so that's it. So this is uh, Cisco skills for all website, and it has tons of free courses. You can earn badges, and you can also, for some of the courses, you can prepare, you can get certification. Well, you have to take the certification on your own, but it prepares you for those for those certification. All right, that's it. Hopefully you guys like it, and good luck.